waiting for RCs to charge, be like,
oh my gosh!
yeah, so this is my mini T with the, let's see if you can see that, it's the 6,000 kV motor in there. A lot of motor for this little guy. She will do, you know, wheelies. So I was thinking that maybe I should use this against the boys car, but right now we're having issues with the boys car. And then I need some kind of weight on here so it doesn't wheelie as much. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's my mini T. I had videos on this before. Sticky tires. Got the carpet tires on here from where we used to run. Alexa, turn on living room lamp. Ooh, smell that rubber. Oh yeah, she's ready. Look at that. So yeah, as soon as I figure out what to do with the boys machine, hold on.
A few moments later. So
I'm still having issues trying to get this thing off. I used the heat gun. I tried everything. This pinion gear is just not coming off. I believe the bolt or the thing that screws this piece right here in the middle, where my thumb is, that circle, that is stripped in some kind of way and I can't get it off. So if you guys out there know how to get it off, please leave a comment and let me know. Do I need to drill through it, and will that kind of loosen it and get it off of there? I don't know. I need to do something so I can get the boys' car back running again. That would be a real good matchup, this 5.5 versus that 6,000 kV. The only other thing I can think of is we just have to get a whole new motor. I really don't want to go that route, but anyway, this is just a little brief update until the weekend. We have to see what kind of RC events is going on, and maybe we will partake. But until then, y'all have a good rest of the week. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment below and help a brother out with this guy, because that's crazy right there, that it's stripped like that. But anyway, till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.